Hi Lady Bosses, it's Kelly from New York. Just posting a video on the review of the labs that I ordered. I actually bought the full pack, and my favorite item right now is the fuel. I was very skeptical about the pre-workouts, and this really does get you up and going when you just want to sit on the couch. Love the fuel. It's probably my favorite. The lean, which I'm not going to show a picture of only because I put it in a separate container so that it stays fresh because I ripped the bag by accident. The lean is delicious. I've never actually tasted a protein shake that I enjoy. Usually they're very chalky. This has no chalk taste whatsoever, in my opinion. So I love the lean. The burn, also, I actually take it one in the morning and one in the afternoon, and that really helps me rather than taking the two during the day. And then the rest I take one at night. I don't need two. I tried two the first time. Obviously it worked and it was great. I didn't really have a side effect, but I wanted to try one and see, and one really works for me. So I don't think there's any harm in that. And last but not least, the recover. So this I do on the days that I am weight training. So I do that 3 times a week, and I'm the other days just the cardio type of workouts, whether it's the fit at home or the gym. But the recover I take on the days that I'm lifting weights, and I have noticed a difference. However, I just started weight training, so I'll get back to you and let you know about that as well. But definitely hands down, fuel my favorite, and lean. Hope you guys order your own because it's really great. Thanks.